Hi, I'm Emma. Today we'll be reading the book I Don't Want to Cough. Let's start. Once there lived a very huge castle with a princess and all the amazing stuff. And last morning it was a picnic day. And then the hen went cock-a-doodle-doo. And then the princess started to puff her breath to blow her floaty. And it was kind of too hard, but a bit okay for her breath. And then she was so excited as she said, "Wake up, Mum, wake up, Dad, it's picnic day." And then when she started for breakfast, achoo, a little snot. It was a real cough. And then, well, the tall soldier and him were getting the picnic set. The chef and the maid were getting a coffee to see how the coffee tastes for the queen and the king. That's the wrong page. I went the wrong way. And then the princess said, "Wouldn't it be perfect to go to a party? Very terrific time, but not really good. Please, May, please." And the May said no. And then the soldier and the great boy and the chef were looking, "Oh no!" And then she achoo, another sneeze. She catched a cold. So she had to stay in bed without a picnic. Well, everyone was having fun at the picnic, having a race and everything like catch and that and this and this. And then the princess had to eat porridge. And when she saw that, she said, "Ew, I don't want to eat a porridge." But then she had an idea. She could have a picnic inside her bedroom. And then the doctor said, "Oh no, she's using her umbrella. What should we do? And what is she doing?" And then the doctor said, "You're all right, your honey. And then they started the picnic with her. But then, achoo, said the queen. Achoo, said the king. Achoo, said the soldier. Achoo, said the chef. Achoo, said the man with the flag. And the princess said, "No more picnic for parents." The wrong page again. And then all the parents were sad because of their achoo. So the princess sent them back in to eat a gooey, chewy porridge. And they all had to stay warm up. And then, here it is. So I'll tell you all about this book and what was the hidden thing. The hidden treasure was a steel cat that that you thought it was a tent. So, let's find the other hidden treasure. And see, she loves to relax. But except one thing. Sticky curtains. Let me tell you the colours again. This is colour pink. This is colour pink again. Not again, Pinkie Pie. This is colour green and orange. This is colour blue and purple. This is colour purple and blue. This is colour dark green and light green. This is colour blue and green. This is colour pink. That is colour orange. This is colour orange. This is colour purple. This is colour orange and green. This is colour orange and orange. This one is purple and blue. This one is orange and orange. This one is green and green. And this one's blue and blue. This one's pink and pink. And let's wish what book I wish for. I wish I had this one and this one and this one. And that's it. See you next time, and thanks for watching. You've seen toads of my movies. See you next time.